Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see here, I have my ACORNS account pulled up, and this is in response to a viewer on the channel, Kid89, who was essentially asking why I don't have an ACORNS account. So I actually do have an ACORNS account. I've had this for quite some time, I think 6 or 7 months, but you can see here the present account value is only $4.21. So I haven't put a lot of money in. Initially was going to follow along with Stash Invest as well as Robinhood. Robinhood being one end of a spectrum, Acorns the other. Robinhood, essentially, you buy and sell shares on your own accord. Stash Invest is sort of in the middle. It has a limited number of different investment options that you can pick and choose from, but very, very limited. And then on the other side, Acorns, you simply don't buy individual shares of any companies, but you select what your risk tolerance is, whether you're a very conservative investor or aggressive, and then the app does everything for you. So having said all that and responding to the viewer, I think I'm going to put some more money in. You can see that on the bottom there, $495 to make it a $500 portfolio. And then I'm going to be following along to see if this will stack up against Stash Invest as well as Robinhood. I'm also going to be opening an M1 Finance account as well as Betterment account. There's a couple other investment apps I've been looking at as well that I think I'll probably open up and then follow along to see what kind of performance I can get out of each of these applications. And if I go to my performance overall, you can see here the total account value here, $4.21. And you can see what the fees have been doing. You can see the total gain loss is negative $15.71, and that's because of fees. So some of the performance has been offset by fees here. And that's really an issue for smaller investors with smaller portfolios. But $500 portfolio, I think $1 per month, the fee on this particular investment app is not that unreasonable. And if we take a look at the particular investments I have, so I have the aggressive portfolio here, and you can see how it breaks it down: large company stocks, small company stocks, emerging markets, real estate, as well as international large company stocks. And this essentially is a Vanguard fund. You can see a VOO here. This is one of the best S&P 500 index funds, in my opinion. And you can see here it's invested in that particular stock. And these are all Vanguard funds, by the way. Vanguard Small Cap ETF, EB. So I have both of those, VOO and VB, in my E-Trade account. Emerging Markets ETF, EWO, another great Vanguard fund. And the great thing about these Vanguard funds is that they have very low expense ratios. So very, very low expenses with regards to ETFs. Here's a Real Estate Investment Trust by Vanguard as well. An International Large Company Stocks, another Vanguard fund, VEA. A somewhat lesser known one, FTSE Developed Markets Vanguard Fund, but a very good Vanguard fund overall. You can see the percent in my portfolio, definitely more aggressive. So aggressive portfolios typically have a higher percentage of small company as well as emerging market stocks. So small cap stocks, emerging markets, international stocks. And then you can see here, it's kind of like Stash. I'm invested in fractional shares, very few shares, because I only have $4.21 currently in the portfolio. And if we take a look here, this is a $227 stock. So I have 0.0036 stocks in my portfolio. So I think once I start building up the portfolio a bit, that'll go up. But I'm going to be following along with Stash Invest, with Robinhood, with M1 Finance, Betterment. And there's a couple other ones I've been looking at as well, as I mentioned, that I'll probably be doing this against. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Kid89, yes, I do have an Acorns account. I have been following along, have not been putting out a lot of videos, but I think I'll put out a few more. I think I can kind of detail the performance and if this is a worthwhile application or not. So yeah, just wanted to talk about that, and not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all the support on the channel. The channel has hit 10,000 subscribers. I've been doing some gift card giveaways. I'll be continuing to do that over the next week or so, maybe over the next month. It's been a lot of fun kind of interacting with you guys on those videos. So I'll continue to do those, and then I'll continue to follow along with the other investment apps. Robinhood primarily, because I like to do a lot of day and swing trading on that particular application, but as well as Stash Invest, Acorns, M1 Finance, Betterment, and like I said, there's a couple other ones I'm going to be opening accounts in. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.